Hello guys, it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have another really exciting video for you guys, and that is my first week moving into my first ever apartment. Now yesterday I moved in with all of my friends and I didn't film a specific intro for this video because I was filming my move-in content, but I figured I would make it like a week in my life as well. So I'm gonna show you guys some B-roll and some clips from yesterday, but I will have a whole move-in vlog as well. Alright guys, I just got the key to my apartment. It looks so nice. I'm so excited. I really like it. It looks really clean. They painted everything, which I'm really appreciative of. We're gonna go start moving everything in. So that was my day yesterday, and now it's the second day. I just woke up, it's 9 o'clock. Yesterday was insane. Me, my mom, Chad, my aunt, Madison, and Drew, my two best friends, came over and basically helped me move into my apartment, hung everything up, helped me organize stuff and everything like that. And I'm so grateful for them. So I want to say thank you to all of them right now. As I mentioned in my other video, my parents couldn't help me fully because my brother broke his leg. So they had to give him attention and make sure he was okay. And obviously that comes first. So thankful for my friends that were able to help me, and my boyfriend, he was literally such a great help. The second day, I still have so much stuff to do. I still have to do my whole closet, and I'm actually going to Philly today as well to watch the Cowboys game. So today's just going to be full of events and stuff like that, but it's pretty early. My mom's gonna come over soon and bring some more stuff for me. I also just DoorDash batteries because I literally don't have time to go get them. And I also just ordered a white desk on Amazon because the one at my house is too big and can't fit in the car, and my mom just said maybe just buy a new one and leave this one here, so that's what I'm gonna do. And that's coming on Thursday, so I'm gonna have to build that as well. But for right now, let's just start my day.
You in the backyard of your old farm in the summer.
Just washed my face, brushed my teeth, and made my bed, and now I have Chad over. He just got here and we are going to make some pancakes. No, I lied, we're gonna make waffles. I have a pumpkin waffle maker that I've had for so long from Target that I've been wanting to try out, so we're gonna do that now.
After 3 weeks where we learned to love each other, wrote you letters, sent a message to the goddamn. Skip to the present, haven't been so happy ever.
Excuse this angle, it's just because I'm leaving really quick, but my mom is going to come in about 10 minutes, but like I said, I'm around 30 minutes from my house. Me and Chad are gonna run to the food store really quick. Now, we did go to Target yesterday and buy essentials like ketchup, oil, vinegar, stuff like that, but we didn't get the actual stuff that we're going to need because it was really expensive there. So I'm going to go to Acme or ShopRite, I'm not sure which one, and go and get some food. And then my mom's gonna come and we're going to move in some more stuff for my house. I just made some breakfast, it was really good, and I love the fall aesthetic. I made little cute pumpkin waffles as you saw, and I really like them. And then also I just did some editing. So I'm gonna go to the store and I'll see you guys later.
Have you ever looked in the mirror and not seen yourself? Like you got lost somewhere along the way?
Just got out of Acme, and oh my gosh, Chad got me these beautiful flowers. They're gorgeous. My mom is on her way now, so we are going to go back to the apartment and get my stuff into the apartment and then start loading the stuff from my mom's car into my apartment. everything from the food store away, and I just left like the waters and cans out because my mom just got here, so we have to go help her bring everything upstairs. Moving in from the garage to the 5th floor is hard because there's like so much room that we have to walk, and there's so much stuff that we're carrying, so we literally just dropped water everywhere, and it was just the bottles, so we just had to pick the bottles up. But we're gonna go help my mom. This is the rest of the stuff. So I have this whole cart, I have my desk chair from home, and then some Amazon boxes, and then this, which is filled with like desk stuff and shoes as well. I found my containers that I want to organize my kitchen with, and my mom just brought this nightstand for my house, and I set up this little sky thing, and it looks really cute if you guys can see, so that's the progress. I got these little cute prints from Amazon, and I'm thinking I want to hang them maybe either above my bed or over here, but I have to wait till my desk comes in so I can see how it works because the TV is gonna go over the desk. Also, I saw these little drinks trending on TikTok. This is the sparkling water watermelon naturally incensed little drink, and I wanted to try it. This is not sponsored, I just really wanted to give it a try. Oh my gosh, wait, this tastes like hints, but with a little bit of bubble to it. It's actually pretty good. I like the watermelon. Another little update, Chad just hung up this little light, and I think it looks really cute and everything, especially with the LED lights here. And it'll look a lot better when all of this is out of the way. Chad's playing a game, so I moved to this for now for him. All right, guys, so I'm going to make me and Chad lunch right now, and then I think we're going to leave for Philly at 4 because the game starts at 8:20, and Philadelphia is only like an hour and 30 minutes from Jersey City at least, so I think that's what we're gonna do, but I will obviously keep you updated. So I'm going to make soup, but I'm going to use just this and see how that tastes. I don't know if it's gonna taste great, but I don't have carrots or anything yet, so this is what we're working with. I'm going to get ready for the game now. It's actually 4 o'clock. I lied, we're gonna leave at 5 instead because it's not that far and the game's only at 8:20. So I'm gonna get ready for the game and take a shower, and I'll probably do my makeup after. That was my first time using that shower, and I need to get a different head for the shower because the water pressure just isn't good. We are going to head out to the game. It is 4:35. I'm just waiting for Chad to get out of the shower. I just have to quickly do my makeup and my hair, and then we're gonna go. I'm about to do my makeup. I have to do it at my kitchen table because I don't have anything else set up yet, which is kind of unfortunate, but it is what it is. First, we're going in with the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation. I'm not going to do too much makeup, just a little, just because I feel like I want to look like somewhat presentable, but my hair is also wet because I didn't time out when we were leaving like good enough. I was making our lunch, and then I was also doing laundry. I feel like I've been doing so much laundry these past 2 days and so much loads in the dishwasher because I wanted to like clean everything and make sure everything was just super clean and everything. And I feel like when you get something from the store or I don't know, like new, you should wash it, even like with towels. So that's what I've been doing. I can never tell when I don't have a mirror in front of me if my makeup's blended in. So hopefully it's blended in. Next thing's next. I would usually do some contour and highlight, but I don't have that right now. So I'm going to go in with the Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation, and I use the shade NC20, and I just put that like a setting powder. The one thing that I really like about this apartment is the lighting. The lighting is really good when the sun sets and like all day because the natural light comes in from my windows, and I have 3 huge windows. If you haven't watched my empty apartment tour, be sure to go watch that because I show you guys in like depth of everything of like what's in my apartment, like empty. This is just the Boy Brow brush from Glossier, and I have it in the shade brown. I've been using this thing for years and I love it so much. This doesn't even have product in it, but the gel kind of just sticks on the brush for me, and it still makes my eyebrows look really nice, so I still use it. But I did order another one, so hopefully that's coming soon. Now I'm just going to use this little mascara, and I'm going to put it on my eyes. Not going to lie, I'm going to do this off camera because I cannot put mascara on this far from the viewfinder, but I'm gonna go get ready. I'm gonna go try to blow dry my hair. Oh wait, no I'm not, I don't have a blow dryer. Well, I guess I'm going like this. It's an hour and 30-minute drive to Philly, so I'll probably update you guys when we're there. I'm probably not gonna talk just because it's a new city, and I don't know, I'm a little anxious to go to the game. I'm going with Chad and some other people, but I'm just a little anxious, so I'll probably just do like some B-roll and everything. So I'll see you guys when I get home, and if not, then tomorrow. And I do have work tomorrow, and I have to tackle like work and also doing my closet and stuff like that, and still moving in. So I'm gonna have to time manage as well. I work 9 to 5, so between those hours I can't really do anything. next day now, and let me just say, the game last night was crazy. I don't want to say too much about it, but to leave it at this, I've never been in a situation like I was last night, and it was a good game. It was a really nice experience to watch, but the game itself was just a little crazy for my liking. But with that being said, I actually have work in a couple minutes, so I'm going to have to hop on my computer and get off the vlogging for a little bit, a few hours, and then later I think I'm going to my grandma's house to pick up some stuff that she wanted to give me for my apartment, which is so sweet. I really love her and she's so nice, so helpful. So I just wanted to give you guys a little update. I'm gonna go to work and then I'll update you after. I'm on my lunch break right now, and I'm going to just make this Pop Secret popcorn that I have. I'm not that hungry, I just want like a little snack. And then I am going to do some editing while I have my lunch break. I like to do that sometimes just to give myself like a break from actually doing my work. Got a notification that my Amazon packages have been delivered to my apartment mailroom downstairs, so I have to get those, and then I think Chad is gonna come back soon. I am about to finish work and Chad made tacos. So these are turkey tacos with some cheese on them. We ate dinner and we went to my grandma's house. She got me so many cleaning products and some stuff. Sorry for the lighting, by the way, it's just nighttime outside. But then we came to Chad's house and we got like tools we needed for my apartment, and now we're gonna run to Target and we're gonna try to find some more like organization and stuff like that.
Maybe I could be something more. Well, baby, it's always summertime. When I'm with you, that's not a lie. Well, maybe you could be my side.
I just got back from driving to my grandma's house and she gave me a bunch of products, which is so sweet, and I'm just going to unpack them now.
Only my talk, that we don't have.
Next day, and we're having breakfast. I have toast, eggs, and some sausage. My mom just brought like all of this other stuff for my house, so I have a couple bags. I have some blankets, I have that mirror, and then this little ladder that was hanging up on my wall in my house, in my room, and then my mom brought me jackets for the winter as well. So we're just going to go through this and unpack it. I think I'm gonna put this ladder here because I think it looks nicer here, just because everything else, if this was outside, would be too cluttered above my shelves, and then I'll have some paintings over here and some towels. Just screwed this into the wall, so now it's sturdy, so I can start putting like cute decor on it and everything. And then I have this little like neon light, and we're gonna put it above the cabinet right here. Finished product looks like this. I think it looks really cute. Chad just hung up the little towel holder. It looks pretty good. Ignore the fact that I'm wearing the same exact shirt that I was on Tuesday, I think, because I didn't unpack my closet yet. We are going to try and hang up the TV. Not sure if it's gonna work. So we got this to stay up on the wall. I'm just scared, but apparently it is in a beam, so that is good. I just don't want it to like fall off the wall, but Chad doesn't think it will. Chad went to Home Depot to get some more tools to make sure that the TV doesn't fall off. We're not 100% confident, but we think it's gonna be okay. I just got my packages delivered from Amazon, so we're going to open them. First things first, some cleaning spray. I think this is the wine glasses I ordered. Yeah, so I ordered these really cute wine glasses. I just got 4 of them. They're pretty nice if you ask me, and they weren't that expensive, so I'm just going to wash those. Chad just got back with what he needed from Home Depot, so he's still putting up the TV. Chad is building this little stool to go over there. He did the TV and it's working, so we're just going to feed that wire behind the wall, and then the desk is gonna go over here, and I'm leaving it like this because it's a good view from my bed and the kitchen, so everyone could watch it if I'm having like a movie night and some people are on like chairs and stuff. It's just easier that way. Just finished my work day. That's why I wasn't really vlogging a lot today. I only vlogged during lunch. Chad finished doing the shoe rack, the TV, and the table, and now I'm gonna start putting little decor pieces everywhere. Here's the shoe rack that I got from Amazon. Now I'm just gonna put my shoes on them. I just put all my shoes here. I tried to make it like by boots. So I did my heels and then my boots and then my Air Forces and my sneakers. And then it's kind of color coded, kind of not, but I tried my best. So that's what this looks like. Now I'm going to fill these little containers up with all of my kitchen stuff that I wanted to put in them.
I've been thinking about good times, so tell me all your worst lies. I believe them if I try, for the sake of time. Just give me the eye. I've been thinking
I said
about.
don't blow my high, I'm on that carpet ride. I've
and swerving. I'm a servant to my magic side. I was in a magic city.
I actually just filmed another video, but right now I am waiting for my desk to get delivered, and I think it's gonna come soon. I'm on my lunch for work right now, and then Chad's gonna come back after class and he's going to build my desk for me because I literally do not know how to build things. I tried to build a chair once and it worked, but it took so long, and he's just really good at all that stuff, so it's so much faster for him. I obviously help him, but he's just really good with all that stuff, so I'm really appreciative that he's like helping me and everything. But he's gonna come and build the desk, and I'm gonna go back to work because my lunch is ending in 10 minutes. Desk is here. Here's the progress of the desk. Basically just have to make the drawers now. Chad just finished the desk and it looks pretty good. I don't know if I'm gonna leave it here or move it over, but right now this is what we have, and I'm going to start decorating. We set up my desk yesterday, and the rest of the day I didn't really do anything. I filmed another video and I went to Target for something unrelated to this video. And then right now I'm doing my closet, and I keep visualizing how I want my closet to look, but I don't have enough hangers and it's really big, and I'm trying to organize it in the right way, but I don't know exactly how to do it. I've been doing a lot of wash since I got here, and I have one more bag that I have to do, so I'm going to put that in right now. My closet's coming along pretty well. I think we're gonna make lunch now.
Girl, why you running away from me? I don't know. The thirsty on me, Paco. Why you running away from me? I don't know.
I got these little frames right here, and I also have these, and we're going to hang them up. I think I'm going to put these over here and over here, and then these ones go in my bathroom. It's a few days later now, and we are going to kind of like customize the desk to my liking. Desk, I showed you guys a little bit, but I have a whole other video up on my channel about that. It's a desk customization video, but right now I'm going to just relax for a little bit, and then I think we're gonna bake cupcakes. Chad is currently making dinner for us. I'm gonna make a cake now with Chad. It's gonna be like my first time baking in my apartment, so we're gonna make a celebratory cake for my apartment.
In the backyard of your old farm in the summer. Stayed there for 3 weeks where we learned to love each other. Wrote you letters, sent a message to the that day. Skip to the present, haven't been so